Good morning, welcome to
MathPractice161.
MathPractice number 161. We're still having a little bit of trouble with this this challenge problem from Beast Academy, right? Now, this is a really challenging problem, so it's okay to be struggling with this. We want to see if we can get it figured out. So the question is, we've been studying squares, and we got 2, 3, 4, 5 squared minus 2, 3, 4, 4 squared.
Whoa.
Whoa. You want to do scary face one more time? Okay, so when we have a problem that's really hard like this, what's one good strategy to try to help us understand it?
We can make an easier problem.
Yeah, let's see if we can make an easier problem. And yesterday what we did is we said, let's take a look at 1 squared minus 0 squared, because these are only 1 apart, right? Mm-hmm. And what is 1 squared minus 0 squared?
That's 1.
1, yeah. How about 2 squared minus 1 squared?
3.
3. Sorry, my 1 looks like not a 1. And how about 3 squared minus 2 squared? What does that equal?
It's 5.
5. 9 minus 4, which is 5. And 4 squared minus 3 squared is?
7.
7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. 5 squared minus 4 squared.
Well, 9.
25 minus 16, which is 9. You see a pattern here?
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers. Okay.
Cool.
Cool. So this is the first odd number. The second odd number, the third odd number,
The 4th, and then the 5th.
the fourth odd number, the 5th odd number. So do you see a pattern here? We have 1 squared minus 0 squared gives us the first odd number. 2 squared minus 1 squared gives us the second odd number. 3 squared minus 2 squared gives us the third odd number. So what is 5 squared minus 4 squared?
Well, it's 9.
Which is?
Which is the 5th odd number.
So what do you think 10 squared minus 9 squared is going to be? Which odd number is that going to be?
Well, maybe the 10th.
The 10th odd number. If our pattern continues, this should be the 10th odd number. Okay, and let's see, what is 100 minus 81? What is that?
Well, 100 minus 81, 79? No.
100 minus 81.
So, 100 minus 80.
Yeah, 100 minus 80.
20.
100 minus 80 is 20.
And 20 minus 1 is 19.
Right, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, so this is 19. Okay. Now let's see if 19 is the 10th odd number. You ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
13, 15, 17, 19.
Let's try that again. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. 19 is the 10th odd number.
Yeah.
So what do you think we have to figure out for this one?
Well, maybe what odd number is it?
What odd number is it? And what odd number is it going to be?
It's going to be the 2,345th.
The 2,345th odd number. Whoa.
Whoa.
Now, do you have 2,345 fingers?
No.
Show me.
I only have 10.
Oh, rats. Okay, so we're going to have to figure out how to count the odd numbers. And yesterday, we talked about the pattern here is they differ by 2. And what we did is we multiplied the first number by 2. So we got 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, and then in this one, 10 times 2 is 20. So when I multiply this number by 2 and subtract 1, I get that odd number. Okay? So how am I going to find the 2,345th odd number?
Well, you do 2,345 times 2 minus 1.
Yeah, so we're going to have to figure that out. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's your homework for today. I want you to build with your Duplo blocks that square, again, it starts with 1 squared, and then it has 2 squared, and then it has 3 squared. You know that square I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So you have squares that look like this?
Yep.
Because we're going to talk about that again tonight when I get home.
Yep.
And then I want you to solve this problem, 2, 3, 4, 5 squared minus 2, 3, 4, 4 squared, okay?
Yep.
Alright, high five. Good job, sweetie. Good job today.